here, or do you tear them out?
We'll keep these in here until we do the back.
Okay, so keep those in there. Good job. Make sure you have them all filled out. We did them together, so you should have them all filled out. Devin, do you have it all filled out? Okay, do you have it all filled out? Good job. You can put those away now. We're going to go over our spelling words for the week. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's go through the spelling words. I'll say them, you guys can say them back. Famous.
Famous.
Invention.
Invention.
Election.
Election.
Furious.
Furious.
Imagination.
Imagination.
Education.
Education.
Nervous.
Nervous.
Various.
Various.
I skipped one. Explanation.
Explanation.
Decision.
Decision.
Relaxation.
Relaxation.
Conversation.
Conversation.
Tension.
Tension.
Humorous.
Humorous.
Exhibition.
Exhibition.
Attraction.
Attraction.
Invasion.
Invasion.
Creation.
Creation.
Occupation.
Occupation.
Destination.
Destination.
And the challenge words: cancellation.
Cancellation.
Summarization.
Summarization.
Glamorous.
Glamorous.
Mysterious.
Mysterious.
Administration.
Administration.
Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is I want you to go through the list and the words that you know and you know the definition of and what they mean. I want you to write a little word next to it that will help you remember it. If you don't know the word or know what it means, just put a little star next to it because we're going to go over them together, okay?
Does it have to be like professional? Like, does it have to come out of a dictionary?
No, just something to help you remember, like famous. I would think of famous. I would say not. I wouldn't say. Maybe I'd say like an actor or a singer, superstar, professional. Yes, Cole. Thank you for raising your hand. Very popular. Very good. Yeah. Thank you for raising your hand. So you guys work on that for a few minutes.
That long to do the spelling.
Right. They're just putting down some words to help them remember it now that we're going to go through it. And do you have your spelling workbooks with you?
Yes.
Okay. did you put? We already talked about it a little bit. IK?
Actors.
And actors, very good. How about number 2, and I want you to say the word for me. Gauge.
I put.
Say the word
Is it
first.
only one word?
You can put as many to a little saying if you need
I
to.
put a machine that makes life better.
A machine that makes life better, and say the word for us.
Invention.
Invention. And if anyone has problems pronouncing these words, let me know and we can say them over Abby. Yep.
Election.
Yes, very good.
I put like someone getting voted for.
Getting voted for, we just had the presidential election.
President.
Very good. Number 4. Abby, thank you so much for volunteering. Let me just get someone else, okay? I really appreciate it. Kennedy.
Furious.
Furious. Angry, mad, very good. Super upset. Number 5. John.
Imagination. I put thoughts.
Your thoughts, very good. Or Avery, what did you put?
I put dream, think.
Dreams, your thinking, Gage.
I put creativity.
Creativity, very good.
I put something there.
Good job. Okay, number 6. Dejanay.
Education. I put school.
School, very good. We also have college. Good job. Number 7. IE.
Harold's like kind of scared.
Kind of scared. Abby, what did you? Afraid. Kennedy.
I put like scared, worried.
Worried. You could put anxious. Very good. Number 8. Logan.
Explanation. I put like the definition. Explanation, like the definition.
Okay, what else could we put? Gage.
Reason why.
Your reason why. Your reasoning. Maybe like your response to a question. Logan.
I put example.
Example. Very good. Various. Avery.
I put different kinds. If you have various ice creams, then you have different kinds.
Very good. So, IK, do you understand now, like if we have various books to pick from? Different kinds, different ones. Abby?
Varieties of it.
Variety. Very good. You guys are,
I
know I've heard that-
heard
I
that word. It's just
Yeah.
I don't remember.
sometimes you hear it and you know you've heard it, you just don't know how you've heard it.
Yeah, that's about what I thought.
Decision. Number 10. Decision. Justin, what is a decision? You have to make a choice.
Oh.
Yeah, you can make a choice with it. Decision. Did you have something else, Dejanay?
I put your final choice.
Final choice. Cole.
Make up your mind.
Make up your mind. Yeah, you can make up your mind. Abby?
I put make it decide. Yeah, that's what I
To decide. We want to, even though decide isn't in there, we kind of want to stay away from the words that are partly in there, using to describe the word. Okay, number 11 is number 11. John?
Relaxation.
Relaxation.
I put relax.
Okay, that was good, but we have relax in there. So with relaxation, what can we put? IK?
Comfort.
Comfort. Abby, what did you put?
Calm.
Calm. Kennedy?
To lie down.
To lay down, yes. Avery?
I put sitting on the couch.
Maybe, yeah, good. What if we put like something that you enjoy doing? Something that isn't stressful? Gage, did you have something different?
I put vacation.
Vacation, yeah. Usually vacations are relaxing. For the kids, for the most part. They're relaxing.
Yeah.
And number 12. Dejanay.
Conversation. I put talk.
Talking with someone. Anyone else put anything? That one kind of. Kennedy?
Conversation.
Well, we need a word to describe conversation.
Oh.
What's the
The end of that little sentence right there, please. Logan, for number 13.
number 13, I didn't get that.
Oh, okay.
I meant, I was going to say number 1.
Go ahead.
Talking about a subject.
Talking about something, yeah, talking with another person, good.
Communication.
Communication, there we go. Number 13. What is this word, Avery?
Tension. My first thought was tense, but I know that it means that that you're like mad at someone.
Sort of, yeah. This one's a little harder to describe without saying a tense situation. That you're having maybe an argument with a friend, and you guys, it's kind of an awkward situation still. You guys still haven't resolved the problem. So there's some tension between you two. Have you ever had an argument with a friend, and you guys kind of aren't talking yet, but so you need to resolve, so there's like a feeling. Gage.
How about anxious? Would that be okay?
Anxious could kind of describe the feeling. Yeah, you're feeling anxious about it.
Conflict.
There could be a conflict with it. Very good. Number 14. Abby.
Party.
Read us the word first.
Humorous.
Humorous, yeah. Funny, comedian,
Oh.
laughable. Number 15. Does anyone have 15? Avery.
Funny.
15.
Oh, exhibition. Like if you're
Exhibition.
gonna have an exhibition match.
Let's all say that together. Exhibition.
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 If you're gonna have like an exhibition match,
Mhm.
sometimes it means like to like if you've already had a match and you lost, maybe you wanna have an exhibition.
Exhibition is kind of like before the season starts,
Oh.
prior to, kind of like maybe if you're taking a pre-test, it's not graded. It's before the actual fact, like with football season, they have exhibition games, which they don't count to their record. They're just like preseason games. Dejanay.
Like on exhibition, like I was playing a game was having to do with the WWE, and I clicked on exhibition. You have like single players match, like all
Okay.
different kinds of matches.
Good, yeah. Okay, number 16. Number 16. Someone I haven't heard from. Sierra?
Attraction.
That is an attraction.
Like the big statue or something that people go to a lot.
So something that someone goes to, an attraction, or it could be also used as a verb also, having an attraction towards something.
Like a magnet?
Yes, like a magnet, they're attracted towards each other. Attraction, we think of like amusement parks or big cities,
Something you buy.
or like, yeah, something you go to that you're interested in.
We should have called visual attraction.
Number 17. 17. 17. Gage.
Invasion. Take over. That's not
Very good.
alien.
You can think of, someone coming in, maybe your mom is invading your space, an invasion, taking an invasion of your room. If it's not clean, she's going to clean it with garbage bags, right? Invasion. Number 18. Number 18. Logan.
Creation.
Creation.
Something like, maybe something you make.
Something you make, very good. Creation, Abby.
Invention.
Invention, could be an invention. Gage.
Craft.
What?
Maybe a craft.
A craft, yeah. Something like we made the diversity hands, that was a creation of ours. And then the potato people that you guys made, that was a creation. Art, yeah, very good. 19. 19. Cole.
Occupation.
Occupation, and what word can you remind you of occupation? How would you describe that?
I actually do not know what.
Who can help us out with occupation? Sierra.
Like somebody lives there.
So that would be occupy. That's a root word, good, so it's where you live. What about an occupation? Dejanay.
Like someone who doesn't live there, they just come to like help out.
Not really. Occupy, that's a different word. Occupation, something like Miss Garcia is a teacher. I'm a student in college. You guys are students. Avery.
It's a job.
Your job, yes. What you do for a living. Mr. Stutler's the principal. Like my mom's a pharmacist. My grandma's a stay-at-home grandma, so that would be her occupation. Some people's parents are work at Milan. A lot of people work in Milan or work for WVU or in the coal mines.
My mom works for a big, huge.
Thank you. We don't have to share everything now. Number 20. Number 20. Someone I haven't heard from. Number 20. Abby?
Destination, somewhere where you're planning to go.
Yeah, somewhere we're planning to go. On a trip maybe? Your destination in the morning when you get on the bus, where's your destination?
Bus stop.
School.
Let's start.
If you're walking from your house, then your destination would be the bus stop. Number 21. Number 21. Gage?
I had a question on 20.
Sure, go ahead.
This sounds a little bit like it, but could designation be?
Yes.
No, that is different than destination.
I thought it was.
Designation is like when you designate a position to something or a job. If I said, Gage, every morning I want you to take the lunch count, I would designate that job to you.
Give it.
Number
Sign, like a
sign, right. I would assign something.
Like every day, somebody gets a sign.
If you have something you want to say, you can raise your hand. Number 21. Dejanay.
To cancel something, like it's in progress.
So read us the word.
Cancellation.
Yeah, so what did we have last Wednesday? Last Wednesday. Yeah, we had a cancellation. They I don't know how to say it without saying cancel. You cancel school. Gage, do you have a way?
Down, maybe?
Maybe shut down or
Check.
or Abby,
Not going on.
not going on.
Locked down.
Kennedy took off, maybe, yeah. They canceled the event, so that would be cancellation. Number 21. You guys should have heard this before in reading, Abby.
Summarization, like to explain it.
Explain the whole story. Summarize what you have read. Cole, do you have one? Explain. Maybe from beginning to end, explain what goes on. Number 23. Dejanay.
Beautiful.
What is the word?
Glamorous.
Glamorous. Doesn't Fergie have a song? Is Fergie too old for you guys?
No, I know it.
You know Fergie? Okay.
Black Eyed Peas.
Black Eyed Peas, yeah. I think she has a song called Glamorous. Beautiful, you can think of that, yeah. Very proper, always having their hair done, and fancy. Number 24. John.
Mysterious.
Mysterious.
Odd.
Odd.
Weird. Suspicious.
Weird. Suspicious.
Yeah.
These are all good
More
synonyms. What about unique?
I really don't see it like that because like mysterious, like I think of like
FBI.
detectives and
So-
Sherlock Holmes and all
So maybe like kind of secretive.
Yeah.
Okay. What about number 25, the last one? Logan.
Administration.
Administration.
Now that I think of that
Number 25 is yourself.
word wasn't even administration.
What did you say?
It wasn't
administration? Avery?
I know, the word admit means to like,
Well, we're looking for administration. So when we say that the school board administration or the Department of Education administration, Dejanay,
Like a group of people.
that are what? What are they, John?
I was gonna say like you're allowed in like administration. Like
This is more like people being in charge. They run something like the Department of Education of Marion County. There's administration there, Gage.
manager.
That could be it. Someone in charge, a boss, an owner, that'd be the administrator. Very good.
I'm just pretty big boss.
Yes, Gage. Can you hold on 1 second? We're gonna do a workbook page, or is it an emergency? Okay.
They can do, if you want to give them a bathroom break,
Bathroom
they've been
break.
sitting here,
Yeah.
then go ahead and take a
Okay.
real quick rest.
Yeah.